Ngalbe Kondangal Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum. I just want to have a short kacha here. Me alongo. Ma bedeni menna dro wala membe ke ngambe bango kambi because Adam Baro bala kola abango kan nyameng bango nying amandra taku kam. And obviously we need to speak up. We need to stand up. Ndol nak mandra bango kam ndolte ku jama kela no nana raka stand up but just speak up no. And I just want to come here to show solidarity with the people that have been arrested. So, membe kerem bial be alone, Adama Baro nala molu Sidi Mukhtar Touré. Me alon ka abitan de ngolam nganyim folo ko Sidi la palaso is not tenable. Birata ray president bare muso futu Sidi manyana kala Gambia police force la nyaton kodi. Baring wo mina kala kuti me yalon ko Sidi te banno la fento Adama Baro même fola anu ata nyin kanu la kula fana me yalon ko wala jakal. Ni ara dun ko anara oda so la president be men dila la ngo fole nga foti ka fo adumba tentena fana ka fo ko Sidi la palaso is not tenable. Birata fa kala president bitanti dron Sidi manyana ka Gambia la Sidi est IGPT. So bari la faka damendo ko ndi wala ñu ko folo Sidi ya luwati ñam nga do man ni safa je bari meje fana fasar la mo diam fo kanto ko Sidi atamata bulle la mayalon ko amanyanto so pour kaw wala monti wala mun ko ñu la protest ila pamito ñing ate même fo wala ñi ko ako pamito ñing is denied adu nganyim fole mba sayin kanna ko Sidi ma wonyanto so adu yalon mo nyantang hakiltu la ba men be protest organize agents kan nak wulen inspire ba ke kanyam video ka adu inshallah me jam la ba wala ko la bari wo mo ko di mera mo be nyantang hakiltu woto ning na modol be lo kam banko e be nyantala ngalo fi kal ka jibe dronko me bi tanin carrière personal isule solo wala nin carrément agree dron I come around Madungana, let me take a jab at them, taking this as an opportunity. I think it's dishonesty, disingenuous, and a monkey camaraderie fanati, a monkey kuti me along ko nyaram. So follow. Sidi man nyanto sort of men, all I need to go. Ning constitutional right comfa, molukang, ning jahal kubodo, or interpret la monkey siditi. Anu wo discretion fananti je me alongo constitutional wal di Sidi la. This should be very, very clear to everybody. Ko Sidi man any right sort of to review any right enshrined in the constitution. Right to assembly, freedom of speech and right to assembly. Constitutional confer and that's not subject to review by the police. So mol man me understand wala ka balam men wala ñi go Gambia la constitution especially the 1997 constitution Aman right protect. Wala fun wala nambe nyo sabaka al nga loi fale. We still have this 1997 constitution. Me ango military dictatorship wala asina Gambia. Ya jamena la sojarol me ango sio fon man tamidun sanyi tansabal. Imagine that. Wala need solu constitution o men na pour que wol satisfy. Funding kel me yalon ko no funding ke asiro bela. Ebe Gambia tinya ko rani ba tinya kam fana. So wala miracle be constitution o men kono. Yela miracle reflect constitution o men kono. Pour que fangol bambani je bari ngalon ko bire kudeta ke ko membe non je jawara la regime they described it as evil itel fangol naraga ku ke me yalon ko nara tambi wala so bari the fact that they kudeta ke mambuje ituta je way itan le ko ngani o mendi wala bire sita katuje so nyim constitution of beta rana wala kam military dictatorship nyin ka maintain and military dictatorship wol bukala fi ko moy fenko ka tondi moy protest nak the freedom of speech lambang the fundamental human rights karana be yawla no muna world right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of expression, right to education and all that. These are not rights many along Gambia la constitution la fanya men nyanta ka interpret wo nyama woda mala nyam. In fact, these are rights many along Gambia man sakunda man choice those of foka incorporate ala constitution okon. Because nyulumu rights so let many along ni na the regional body la for ECOWAS lemba for African Union lemba for international lemba kabe kata for international and civil international civil and political rights lemba and other international conventions wolle ni rights all muta ye declare ko nyulumu fundamental human rights all let. So banku be in the civilized world ibe kanyi right le muta ika atoni ibe kanyi right le muta ika exercise ika incorporate the constitution okon anda nyanda ka wala nyam mo be nyanda ka ke la constitution okon bare ni mu member state nyul mu right le men anko all civilized states all civilized nations I agree ta ko nyul la mu rights all. So near the police ka police da dundi je there is a reason amanka ko police ka dunje la because of police le nyanto so le pour ka review ke because police la nyanto menti banko kan ila lo la nyanta kala menti wala nyini ko ka to maintain law and order and to protect life and property, protection of life and property. Thank you brother ngela message joja, thank you. You understand? So police la nyanto moldi to protect life and property. So need after protest la is it in law requirement no pour ka law and order maintain inyanta aitan la police la ko nyene mu hamodi. Okay, no problem. You understand? You understand? Lua and Memfo is very simple. You understand? So it all at on the certain GPF Yanul arrest dalilo menatal phone they cannot explain it to you because they should only be consulted com lefatala protest lale. Lefatala protest lale. So baring atrofna ala lua ya to let sasi prale law and order maintain in public. Me public space use la. Pour alsina alien tol tank alien modol tank. O law and order kuka na osoto bangoka. Because ndola fa protest la dama. Bari ite bela right exercise la nyawnya. Imanya na modol la right nyam. Nyin kamala na wala tne ka subsidiary law pass ko inyanta tala ya fo police lo. Bari police le menke wana ko sidi muktar tu aman loi long. Sidi ko has been denied. Ama o right so. Sidi se men fono ala letter o kono wala nyindi ko no nda kela no science because constraint sort of either manpower or resources or whatsoever alanga lundo jibe we continue the consultation nga jibe for lundo besola yajele wala na diplomacy is very important and to follow protocols na hana yo dam market ibajela ko maybe nyuruka nyi listo memfo by ni engagement no na continue da by jani ba fal tri danta nyaato dron listo nyi fo maybe as publish nole protest man bay ba wala na use of force is the most senseless thing that anyone can do on behalf of any government in this modern day and age. The use of force. It's very stupid the use of force them because nafatala there are so many other alternatives than use of force. So near la protest gibe, CD among any right sort of to review anything or to deny anything. Let me just be clear on that because CD when Gambia police force does not have the right to review any right conferred on any citizen by the Constitution. The Constitution, when it comes to the interpretation, there's only one body in our institutional setup that can do that, and that is the Supreme Court. When it comes to rights, only the courts can review rights. The Gambia Police Force cannot review a right that is conferred on the citizens. Sidi Mukhtar Toure Manyin along. I cannot believe these people even have lawyers. They even have lawyers among them. Ika protest later safe ika later safe ka protest lego your malamba fa nyadi your permit has been denied ndela fa nyine fula CD amoy ko CD is a disgrace. That is a disgrace. That is the most disgraceful thing any IGP can put on paper. Kafoko, your request has been denied. You do not have the right to deny a right that is conferred by the Constitution. Itanyanda dialogue le tenten la kaita nenyo loko. Okay, at this time we are not able to provide you with security, public order and safety. We cannot ensure it during this moment in time. Let's maintain dialogue and consultation, and we look for a more convenient time. That's the only option that you have. You do not have any other option. You cannot tell those people that they do not have the rights. But Gambia Police Force not. Ablai Sanya, you can criticize him. I will continue to criticize him. But I think he did a great job when it comes to recruiting some of the young people, many are going to be the so-called intellectuals. But what I can see because those people, their opinions and views will not prevail as long as the IGP, the current IGP, remains there. CD is married to the president. CD tavla president. Ako flanyo ndesan namol ali momo je kanyum protestal fanal take agents nak ali mari ñol jamfe la de al sile nya de al sila mari ñol la de fem fem be ñum protestal agents kan sa ko menu mol tofala ngamo kum tan dolje kallantan barakan tanglu ikamol kumandi tola iba mamadi kumandi la jana be bob keta kumandi la jana ite you want to settle your personal scores when the national interest is at stake ite boda banku jumal est ce que ite mo gambien odi ite te fan jibe ite boda min dole Korea Gambia. Do you have to agree with ngo ning Gambia la falling bekela vehiculo menna wote kenola UDP vehiculo ya in a hypothetical world ko Gambia janda falne bari UDP ngo mbe jila ko ngalo wada jinda ko ngai ngata man singula ngata ngai moto do ta men ka wolbe Gambia falen anyana ka kedet the common interest our common good nga wala jibe bari some insecure people. Thank you, Babugar. Some insecure people, some people who have personal scores to settle. Ibenyum bol kumanle tolla. Ibenyum you'll be ndesan nite ba tuba do fan you should envy these people. Not for negatively, but positively. You'll be national badge of honor. If you have been arrested because you speak out, because you demand the list, you are a national hero. You are nothing but a national hero. No more that you protest blood. Abemu national hero. Ye momo arrest be a badge of honor lesson. Ite ba sirinjang tubabudu. Ite man fem friend so be men follow mo le fo ka fo ko ha opportunist lemu Boubacar Bob Keita Mamadi Kura. How can you select the people men bita blood? Fo bayo son ko man ran tol ko no bayo son ko bada yatar. Kek sa be oda party jana doy. Men buga mo sota. Over now, a joint taker. This is how it's supposed to be. And some of us need content and gassing government fire. And if we want to change the Gambia, we have to come together. Take this as an opportunity to observe the extremists amongst us. The extremists amongst us. Many years ago, it tell agenda killing a baby. Ika bambu party o party come kobe party o party ka membe fa be fani ya mantra party to agenda killing all baby. Or agenda ni fe or threaten, they are going to go against that. Nelson, for already know about that. For area, Mbeja de Kelo Galanga for area by Nalasilo. Billah will let a for area Mambetea. For area le massy body. Iba Kelo Kika Memphol Toyala, the so called elites. Because Ninkelo Bemo, Fem Belgian agents, you are doing it on behalf of the elites. Ngo, Ndanga Moluje, many along jam. If annual will never know you Masakunda on a bridge in Casara Lobeka. But Yalongo, if annual Mamma Fenna. But mobile it is just common sense ko nifa wale ila bama wale ila badi ngo benu masakunda kono during this time it may be dawla demanding it's just natural amange ko me believe ta ko yekulek ñun wolu dingol ka loy ka foko ngo let the chips fall where it may list wala bondi al list to bondi wol man daw itaka daw modo fe fo ka kelo do wuleni modo kamma wala ite monke jonti e ko ite monke jonti ite monke modo la jonti ba ngeni nga ite ko ite be ibe fan sawo ite be fansao ite manke mo la jon inin ala tema mbadi nte fedem imu modo la jonti de no emele foro ya soto banko la be at stake adama ndesan ye extremiste de ke extremiste fo e founding adama barone sidi muktar touré je kulum killing inyanda la woldo ko ite la kol be tinyata when it comes to Gambia na current dynamics sol be nyame ye extremist fo itala wishes and aspirations woni adama barole alainta ani sidi muktar touré alainta ite fe nyum protest man nyana kela ite fe nyum attention sikal leldi abaraka congratulations you have made it you can now join NPP you can now join the so-called MPs naning MP nga yalla nyandol be baylale ngala jël bi watson gambe men highlight shamefully these MPs disgrace MPs. Because recent investigation on Membegera, it has all been initiated by NPP. Imagine, Masakunda for NPP, MP, wala ka investigation or demand, wala ka for alinga cook, alinga nyum cook kiskis. Imagine that. Current government, wala from kasi la MP ka for alinga investigation of, wala na UDP MP dobi, and then I file, and I don't give a damn. Nga file nga moro itamu UDP mistake called. Nga file. Nta etabu UDP mistake called. Atol mo nyana mo represent la. Ngo let the chips fall where it may. Mo nte mem fola Gambia nada adanta odun. Membe ntomba fola le. Adu moto manan kun nola. Nobody. Apatin teng afenko atondi akafunteng fengo fere ninta dunia mbat na banko la ko membe ndon tafa. Ni MP lu ni emire la bama la fanka bule ko na emira molbe mbata membel. Muna liye mwele. Aliye mwele. Ni mo kalantan kuntam barakantan dol kana si ba falale ko mamadu kurana be jana bob ketal be jana wo mo bob ketal barakate tedi wodo because of felen bi man say amuta gambia mamadu kurana barakate tedi ko because of felen bi man say amuta gambia ite ba siri la bon kono ibe jang iba domo la ibe domor la ibe la le be sinol ini la dimbaya wala idamma do bi jan dimbaya fonte ba do si mat ida ma basiri ida ba enjoy kan tuba duja molbe bataren ñun membe je dol je opportunity so pour ka tama ka findi ka kolge ini be business also Gambia ñun mem mutata ten know that these are not the most vulnerable Gambians. Let me just make that clear. Look at Saibo e bala fa mole nyaaja han tamere re bala fa mole bob touré e bala fa mole bayo son e bala fa mole ketska sa ne bala fa. All these are people many alonko at bare minimum ñun kay mom Gambia sa fono ko ni Gambian standard level, they are not at the lowest level. They are just advocating for other people. Democracy kono mbalanta ñobulu ñaawo ñanta ñu lola ñoyela right lale. Even if you disagree with me, you should be willing to fight for me to exercise my rights. This is called democracy. Even if these people go there against my will, knowing that they have been arrested, I will not say to people go, Ale Mamadou Kouranje Janalde, Ale Bob Tu Ketaje Janalde, Al Kanata Jede, Ale Usenu Gambeje Janalde. No. Who give a damn? There is nobody amongst them, Mayalongo. They Isafoko, Intelamba, Itelamba. We agree with all these people on anything that they say. It's a difference at all. But for maybe Nintafong right encroach, you're probably gonna enjoy it to a certain degree. Then fight for me. As long as you feel Hanina right to violate can bring a fendola ketela, Walanga fendola came mandate. You must Walanga Silade. Member in protest over, I don't give a damn who they are. Member in protest over against them. Ali GB, Ali. Yeah, and the irony is some of them, they are the ones calling Ntolim Bonyolu extremists. I'm so greedy when it comes to Kagambia Bondi. So much that I don't give a damn who you are. I will go to bed with the devil, Kagambia Bondi. Trust me. I will go to bed with the devil, Kagambia Bondi. Kagambia di mola masamano. Karanal, they are taking advantage of him. The so-called elites. Ibe na banko betinyal. Nimol kamba fula. Alenin distractional bina. Nindo ke wulta jam bob keta na la business olam. Love him or hate him. That's your bloody business. That's your bloody business. Bob has a successful business running for him in Gambia. For the past decade, at his age, he was able to start something and running it. Ita sadam tabalo. Yeme ngomen ke fay o mutala achimino. Bara fana yo sodal. So ina man agree na agree. It doesn't matter. We don't even have to agree on many things. Nesa wala nang kafun na nyimbo le sakonto la na maso dol fo nen kele nka fo ko. Politiko wala nga hakiloto. Billa nga alpha dol long NPP nga alpha dol UDP wul mu terolde. Na le wol long. Anda manke wul mu sulu sa jolelti. Wul manke sulu sa jiti. Mo ken dol lam. Hey, intended a childhood friend na mo mel long, ah? Nda hanim badi ngon to fala. Don't even talk to me about mbadi. Even a mere friend of mine nga mel long. Kabring Adam Boro Masibo Kemanza. You think I'm going to dump that person because of UDP, because of NPP, because of politics? Who does that? Who does that? Fede Amera Gambia Mombe Usenda Wakona Bem UDP. Usenman Terso Namanga UDP. Il a call of it Muna Mutala model out. Muna like it left among Gambia Sifal, and Yenga. It left among Gambia Sifal. Mbetra Kukili Walanganyo Booty. Abate a loba cola junal, body. What a killer no. These people are heroes. Ablai Sanyam Lualong, Ablai Sanyam Stakfurla, atoli. What is the name again? Sidi Mukhtar Ture, Barola in Bitamuso, but I'm Bitan K, Kalanta. Aba Kukurun Jaman Lekeka. Kukurun Jamaba, Abolaka and Yanga Bangoka. Why is this happening to us? But Yalong Maninkol coming for Farabo Ejana, Kebara Walenyama. Also, 2 days ago, Ngaleko, Nilkana and Nebem File and Yokana, let's unite. I don't want to see that. Imagine Bluma, my Simama, in the Malba Falanya. Mulla, even though a Namunra, Nafiko Dolba Fale Fay Janakoha. But Nali Jada Ali Chocho. Ali Chocho, Kobuka Sunkabamba, Ali Chocho. Why will you go against people many alongo? They exercise a right. And right man baby bulu is just too much. And your right man for not violating bulu is just too much. Imagine freedom of association. Mayalongo is also part of the fundamental human rights. Mayalongo universal. I don't know whether they exercise. Your right to associate and affiliate with anybody. Fundamental right. I just want to affiliate with dogs. I don't want to deal with humans anymore. Human rights are guaranteed. These people chose a group of people. That's their fundamental right. Regardless, it's their fundamental right. And the main request kanjang ndesan fuare dinne on lelbe jang iba fo ke faye ko tenin fankamal me yadu let them speak. Let them speak. Many a kodo domo tamenu bulu. Ite ba sirinje ite man fensodo nta man fensodo. Mo kilingol siren lado. I remember one man company. New Wolam mukala kana personal life on social media. I have a personal one man company. I cannot believe it. Ko a single person will get paid 89 million. I have a one man company. No registration document of Lejam. It's within my hand. It's within my reach. Here. One man company. 89 million deal. Do you think we don't know what a one man company is? One man company, one tata 89 million ticket ya deal. Mem for a registered men toyal. Umari ndesan. Obuka finti. Woman who participate je. Bari affinity realize statement of bondi. Statement. Ndoke magjane tambi. We can approve baro. No. Al nyanda extremism la bulala. Ale kafu molma. Ale nyin name ko len bula. Many years long ago, itata protest la. They have every right. Today we are all Bob Keda. We are all Mamadi Kurang. We are all Saibo Kamara. We are all Usenu Gambia. We are all these people. Keksane. Imagine that. We are Mbelem Kilimuti. And you know, the irony is, if you are happy that this protest is not successful, you are on the same page with Barrow. Barrow not a protest moy as a president. Nesa it'll be sirinje, it'll be sila jarek, it'll mo kunklin na. Of course, rich people. And you know, yala on the mark, unkombe fenda fala, but yala ningafo, dolbi jetul come and bind call ning long time conspiracy like all nade. But I listened to Amadou Sane. I thought we all collectively we all have a responsibility. And you know what the responsibility is, yeah? Mistake will kettle. You know where the mistake lies? I think the whole Janneh Commission was not necessary. The whole, you know, this commission here, we need to start to deal away with them. Nanda na court system will enhance lale, na court system will muda nge empower. Yeah, honestly, because Gambia is graduating a lot of lawyers and you know graduates from law school. I think it was a whole mistake. So come on, if we have to take the collective responsibility, the whole notion of this Janneh Commission is a mistake. But you have somebody in mind. Nimandra life mafle F you and F that person. I don't give a damn. Man sort of the jacket and Kujama be mfota men mfota wala wolda sort of. But yalong crime or me punish. One of the reasons is prove reputation in Kana sort of sama. But coming to look at it, I think we need to start to deal away from all these commissions. Imang Esafal, I'm not trying to spark any controversy here. Esafal nada. Esafal iba joke on 100 million. Imagine that. Stop for $100. Sorry, not 100 million. 100,000. I got from Olekoha. They were only paying me 100,000. They were only paying you 100,000. Fine. Thank you very much. 100,000 kwali. Niyo convert into euros. Nisi da Europe je yela bunjo be bondi je be yela kodomen. Omu jelet. Even as a lawyer, I'm just talking about. Because between 7 to 10,000. Yeah. So esa ikalo wala ko these elites don't even feel our pain. Esa ka fo ka te o ke pro bono la bari kaso $100,000. Ikajo wala. Ano mark just to keep you engaged. Yalo esa na ramune laogang. Ako ba sila ba tambedu that was when Ba decided to add 10. Ako ba tambedu la another 10,000 laje. So esa was paid 110,000 per month. Ako because me anate ota because ateka travel lenu between Gambia and Senegal. Another one again, Ami Ben Suda dung. I have one body. Ami Ben Suda was paid 500,000. Yeah, Elisol Jelade. Yeah, Elisol. 500,000. I will not even discuss that. Outrageous. Simple. Outrageous. But is it corrupt? No, because that was how the system setup is. If we have to take the responsibility as a collective, the whole commission should not have been set up. And the new commission, forget the Janneh Commission. Think about the one that is ongoing. It is not done. It is not. Iba pushing. Ya pushing. Kwe Janneh Commission kedame. Kwe commission dolo kenyame. This is how they do it. Nin commission ko is BS as started kabirin 2 hours la jamanola another for nin 2 hours bari wolka be ke yayolti ika traveling commission ni fengol le soto ifengol ni nyal ni dal ika molel ki represent blaldo nin ko ke ka commission olge ngo we don't need these commissions anymore. We don't need these commissions. It's too expensive for Gambia. imagine esa sita abe 110,000 salary fola aka ke komen is nothing, you know, mwatla Dakar ning Gambia ta temoldi. You understand? Near 2 years that's like close to 2 million. How many people are getting 2 million in 2 years? How many people are getting 1 million in 1 year in Gambia? The average person, they don't feel our pain. They don't feel our pain. Mark, exactly. As I remember, I have a coffee time. I can't take 100,000 less. Iko ole diala. Mala ko banata for go, you know, but because I can't be pro bono de. Pro bono. Esa ko ole for de. The elites don't feel our pain. An already established person in Gambia, me along go, yela bungo soto, yela jodla soto, domoro soto, everything soto. Commission is providing you with everything. Ning commission ka fuelo dealer, your security and protection or dealer. Itela fen ko dama. I was going to take a very basic salary for that. Ninko pro bono lo. Ninko pro bono lo. Baring ye moto dinna. Ya understand? Afon la moto na kakata wala Dakar. Mam commission. Baring ala ko commission do la. Hana hani moto diala. Na moto request be moto dilala. Ibe coupono fana dilala. Obekola esa was receiving 100,000. Akakumule go. Until mo pro bono. Ami ben sudaka 500,000. You don't feel our pain, bro. You don't feel our pain. And now you are going around all the country. Iba fala carte din. Ka carte dila. Mak iba fala exam fraud le ñun loyal di nga kukli lon ni be mala ka lo kuela di ka fo fay fraud de lati je ma bona programme yo yeah understand SRV is not feeling our pain and if that's good okay okay yeah Sekou Cissé inimbar yeah understand so elite sol ñinam problème oti bar ndol fu wara dindi ngol nak ndel ka elite sol defend wala adna elite sol kam wolje Gambia la fana mu bankoti mi alon kon men be wes jawle yan quand même comme wala nañu ko di soro siata kam mo so ko dola it's not just a cultural thing because it's all no moy la atra may man ra tas dila elite sol this is how they are able to sustain themselves. Thank you. El said is a way of creating jobs for friends and political surrogates. Thank you. This is it. So in commission go El Ahmad Sanel Diamo, I wish you listen to it. You know, we have we have other government institutions. I do for a member Ministry of Finance, and I think and he made a point, Mayalongo, Alako Mbalafaje, because these people when they were setting up the commission, loyal coming, it is more like coming Nimba paraphrase la, ye luala karoda male jibe, but the finance side and comment the finance and accounting, financial accounting a professional approach. Jibe baga. So a lua da Malta. I don't lua do ye to give this commission too much powers. Ndesan. Ye da Malta jibe because Batamidu was the powerful guy. It only lua da kanyin commission olondi. So nada na wala nanko. Amanke ko commissioner ning council ning kari menge. This whole commission thing is a mistake and we need to do away from it. It's too expensive. Imagine paying a lawyer. Remember, the pro bono lawyer, the cheapest, you are paying that 100,000. The pro bono, menga pro bono, 100,000. Pro bono. How many people are in that commission? How many assets? 10% are already 10%. One of them, is not technically true, but it's also subject to interpretation because the first company. From Augustus, from Gamera World 10% lala. So there was a query about that. That was one of the queries. But Malanyim Doli not dual. Okay, let me just make that clear. Wala na sometimes life is important. You code in energy. So new company do men nata labon wafirola Alpha Capital percentage mo long bari el ñol men ya long ale finance lo na iko 89 le so afam mama di fon le 89 million. So 89 million so to dawoda and we are talking about 1.2 billion. That's something may close to maybe a little bit under 10%. But still now it's a lot of money. Through Amadou, they gave him a very powerful position, but they took away all his powers. No power. Amadou la free comme Amadou saw mo fem the woman tamo commission. Amon tamaje. And momo fana I felt long about government setups. This commission, come Amadi Afonyame, a bit and loyal silo, come loyal after Kenya, but they did. I studied law, so if anything, I'm biased towards them. But to be very frank with you, financial accounting guys needed to be very much consulted and involved in this. This is an aspect. Gambia institution also specifically. yeah menka asset recovery wo institutional bije anu amade do fana there's another board at the Ministry of Finance ndesa. So why the need for all this commission? This is where the fundamental mistake lies. So wala na babe korondoring because baya lon na ay menke baya lon na muneketa. Wala na babe korondoring. Baya aspirational sort of journal pour que international duties la. Pour que kala CV dada. Bara ay muneke akuma na na CV dada so ko jam follow ay yake AGD wala na tata. Bari adama baro nak kacabe jam fala suti kuma balo kamen jaman ka kayrati. Nyin kol be iketa journal. Niaje kol be findi kan sign aketa journal femman fo baro ba some people argue he was forced out of the system. He was forced to resign. Why was he compelled to resign? Why? Is it because of this issue? Babagar said poverty is the root of all problems in our country because many of us feel insecure to speak out. Yeah. For it happens, bro. For it happens, Fuaro. Mbarunga na kumande mbale. Mbarunga na size ya blado. Ndama na size ya me size ya kagola size ya pale. Siring chupul. Kuno yala video dole kinyana. Mana mental promise la nak fama play no la because barambe online na sande. Mana yo fama TikTok gela no la. TikTok. Tioke. Ye file dole kia NPP ko le file kia. So file ko no apparently lawyer double implication of both. Nga conspiracy ya NPP modi je me no je. Lawyer double ni mo wenje ka lawyer double defend online ngew afanya kor. Nde na I'm not even trying. Because tinga lako lawyer double conscious ibe jikirim ne la lawyer ni pa mani pa. Lawyer conscious to be na nyina lawyer kan e fambadan wala fa. Can even ni ba more defend. Go and think about defending somebody. Yeah. Lawyer don't even think about it. Lawyer defend about this issue. Lawyer knows better. Like, come on, he is not he's not your ordinary guy. This guy is an exceptionally akoma experienced man so. Ano mo me yalong ko fanga comment so nanga kamfale because mo bukala fengo diala. We don't give him his flowers. That's the fact. Mo me yalong ko akasi akafuko ya onasane. UDP ni bita fengola atondi ni UDP la meeting aussi dabe vice president yala aka government model be bondano aka fon la private model ta ite ya medo be duna nyi karanta ya kuntan karan barakanta ko to but some of them janen kana baba jala nyi fengol some of them e barakanta ya do ke mbo fulale wala ngela kuroge to ni ban ngela barakanta dojo aba try kam pour ka Amadou was it Amadou Sane ha ako Amadou Sane ha dafa na be Amadou Sane implicated but the irony is here Amadou Sane, Tonyala, I think it's like clarification. Okay. But if you listen to Koro, if you listen to Momo Turo Dabo, wala na Turo Fanas, a comfort bara in the man because a lot of things were in the dark. We were in the dark about a lot of things. Turola involvement on Mbadi. Intelmalo numbake. Because ye memfon tol dol nim bonyole wala nyindiko Momo Turo Dabo, ye kulungol wafa I think about 700,000. I think I had a conversation with you. I was telling you that. But when Turo came yesterday, I think he was talking about 500,000. 500,000. And it was not like come on one. So there were genuine questions hovering around all these issues. So but the fact that Turo came out, I ought to clear, that's one good thing. The other good thing is but man message na TikTok yele ifem gold do atondi ngayele computer do. Yala man dalikata yele computer so lafta fill na fengol la demanding na set of all okay message la na message la afelende ya understand so bari mama Turo da biraka diam let me just complete that area birin Turo da baka diam Turo spoke about ay mambure reference ala diamo kono but ay trim fananko ako mambure anene na ma nyoje ni ba ko report akita nyame akane nene mambure ma nyoje but comme the only minister ntenga men demento la moy correct me if I'm wrong a minister me reference ala diamo kono was Mambure Njai. For some reason some people who thought he mentioned Amadou Sane, they were all over the place about Amadou. Al Amad na vehicle policy to nyola al bala fay wala akabe vehicle policy natila alla mol ya kele ya bondije lafta baba jala video dol nat la surun chapacule chupul chapal arim file la ba sirim live video do ako file o bate bulu ako kulol le boko barakata release la because imam fendia ya jelde dinningol fele be findile bi da banko be kelo la kele ale kila gambie ke baba kasi mukallafo nala full time job america siatu siya ka ba fay go ye kullo dina bangola kullo pour nga fo barinta fala because ibu ko didin mankalla baba jala baba janda kan tap kan nda hajala fanka kan la ansi hajwa ngoto mala anala kumbe marunga la video jibe fo mbajala janda kan nunta fana na jang nanyin boy no men ka video kinya ka video jama fana ne bala kinye afele chapatule
mbani gambien ko lati pour aller le moni hakilo la akana na moni du sola ya jele ni muni yalla wala jammele ni bagasol wax futen amanga corruption da mati de ni landa bal yalla ta aya kamana ni molu tema fa abadan ni mangi corruption de this is very disturbing wato mun mo lata atolla aya alquran mu da andi kali ko aya tan ko anda nyin kala tenne anda kala tenne at the end of the this scandal sifa kala kana fit ko clip de ko pour dam ñon ko le wala moy wana la pour andi la mon hakilo la ya jele ni tata ni siro la ni do se ni tata ni siro la lo ya usenu dabo wala moti mu yalla ko wala bele fikka ni nek tan mo be
ya
ani amasa nte baba jan tene ma ya jele ni dossier mu ni ayo la ki
yo mbal no ma jannale lafta ñen dossier
nte baba jan manda dossier
oh man dossier bonne okay dossier fe
man ta jamale ba ni dossier
imaji ako dossier le babul
mun ni ka dame understand
ako dossier le babul mbatal albe dossier ñum lafta le dossier ñi mbato dossier lafa dossier le ale wala dossier
nte baba jan tene ma ya jele ni dossier mu ni ayo la ki nante
dossier ngalbe dossier je
ni dossier nte baba jan manda dossier post la pour aller la mo na ba o man ta jamale ba ni dossier ko ya jele ku kilbi mun ni ka dame understand NPP ni tam ni je campagne na le mo mun yalla ko wolle bina ye diam ni ko le yakandi ni ko kete nyaadi le do ya usen dabo ay mo role play amad sane mu leke
oh sorry mo raje
amad sane tulo dabo to na ke nyaadi le ya jamele play no ya wafu million 204 million le bang tala kitul bu ni yalla ko ye wolle wafu mu yalla ko talib ben suna ba
conspiracy buka spread ndala jan dalil tebul wala so ya mena be nyin nati kan because nyin kom file albe file jabul aku barata release la aben la men fo kam malaf kala wala eko but akana men fo wala nyito ko kodo ko men tito ako nyin mandra kodo di kan imagine that so akamunda in essence men kida jawol and they sent him a document prior kumen conspiracy document la fo wala so prior kumol nyim fo bari ata fola because he man fendiara ali NPP je lafta ale ñu understand ale ñu jele be kelo men mol ba ke ka lillahi wa rasul ñu ba ke kan lillahi setane conspiracy ibola spread ka imagine ina ke ba be de momento aka balanka kayto banko me alon ka ko ba ko la kullo ba ko anda nyanda finda mona ne de banko la kullo ji tafal ikasi ka fo fay ko ha nyanda ka kodola di akoy nyanda ka kodola di this because it all mol man ra kodola di ka imagine that. Imagine a UDP member saying he is not going to speak about against NPP and Barrow because he is not giving money. Okay, L said, sorry, more than comment section. L said Alpha Capital took 5%, but still a significant amount of money, especially considering the amount of money being recovered. Yes, yeah. The asset management and recovery agency corporation so wala nande ko I think the whole notion of this commission is all BS and outdated. We just need to do away from these commissions because the lawyers will continue to be highly paid commissioners. You remember you cannot even get one commissioner, maybe lawyer you get 1 or 2 lawyers, commissioner 5 panel ya understand andi ka kenyin ke war ngol me nan go han kuti je nyande jura ko di palla I swear to God, it's becoming stupid because Commissioner Doja, and I don't like to do this normally, but I have to mention this. Commissioner Doja Mealonko was a serving mayor, in one of the local governments. Mealonko wolle system food women baby. So ndara fon jagal ta fonka mo food mo ta mealonko wolle system of mo betinya. Ngo recycle ngane in case in the commission. So the commissions are losing their respect. The commissions are outdated. Nyanda commission ko nyanda bulala. Commission ko nyanda bulala. This is the fact. So kananyim protest la lakuro alinga nyomuda alinkana nyokele menu findita ina yela balon itandi ila nyanto lemu menu findita lafta ka ila balon itandi ila nyanto lemu the substance na hansay that can remain subjective. We can agree to disagree. But kafu komen ko la men ya lon ko wolle findita wolle men ka man bete alin kana so. And again, I repeat, Sidi Mukhtar Toure man any nyanto soto ka a right review, a right that is conferred by the Constitution of the Republic of the Gambia. Sidi Mukhtar Toure mo right soto ko review. Amo nya right soto. Ndesan wala nan kale ko ndol fuare dini wala nga doma neje nga baba jala nyin nata leja. Nkai tan dal ko keba koto mu kallafo. Fondinge keba bare ndulla koto kele bar maybe mosa fondinge bare gambe fondinge janni be fudala 60 kay mum fondinge ñen to ñadi way ñen to ñadi way gambe jani ko fudala 60 rom fondinge la mum no problem even though dal la life expectancy dia do not blabe ye mu kallafo jala ba siri aka bange fondinge ñado ngol ya bolile elitul kate dunna inside e kate dunna because abe nendiro men ke ka nendiro men be ke Ousainou Darboe ñine Ousainou nem Gambia beti ñine kuma jawo fo UDP ma Gambia beti bala jibe e monson ay dum sibira bira bi ma tuba ko me sura ka fnade sibira bira bir e monson ay dum je abe sire Facebook a complain boy ndal fa ngel let's upgrade ourselves. That's the most important thing. Nake ba do ñum foña ni ano yata ni ano Canada ko ñego na dino na dimbaya na dogo ngawle mot ndefana wa yamarolo bembulde comme man political addiction ole mabulano. I wanted to stop all this politics and go full-time content creation makeno. I have content creation ideas and all this, makeno, because it is just something that I'm addicted to. I'm just addicted mabulano. Maybe I'm just too concerned for the Gambia. And I'm not the most vulnerable Gambian, like I said. And neither is neither are any of these protesters. They are not the most vulnerable Gambians. They are just speaking up for other people. They are just sacrificing themselves for other people. This is what we need to understand. Regardless, we can say, no. Nyimbe da membi amota le pok pour mo finta diamo baroye. Okay, si sumaila nyol ko be nafiki akala da ngana woro fanaro. Bar ne janga kilo ranu esala diam ko coffee time because ndara coffee time le ngela programme mo be jibe. So sumaila fana anara no pa modi yale ana fo ko teke jana coffee time ikalo wala fanko ñul mus kamal le ye baba jaajala nin kayto na ñame wala na biri ñu mari ñu video ki ñen kay ni nara live me ñu pilela baba jaayan kayto mu tanya sumayla ni wo kayto ñi ñon tan sumayla ni wala na coffee time ay lan tableau kan touch pite microphone odia aka yala amne ako ha yala sumayla I just want to inform you ko the reporting actually is a bit misleading, and the reporting ngala somari la for comme ay kumo men be fo je dabal biri microphone de anin kaydi kemelu lenata kaydi jama bal ning ani wala nat ala kumo men somari sin ko lo fo de biri microphone de anala kaydi jama be ay même voix beta da nata reporting is misleading. The Gambia government did not violate any laws there, blah 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 blah. So another labamana ko bari menkeda. In fact, the report by the Republic where may indicate wrong ko wolengo jane commission wele loi kolmen tamandi among correct ye kol kenyamen I think I will implicate in corruption wala na 2 days ago nko na mole ko alinga nyomu nga conspiracy fayjana ñu la set up okel, and it is going to come out whether you like it or not. It is going to come out. They will try to do something. They will try to implicate ordinary civilians. Many they are not part of the government, but they were part of this Jane Commission. Italy will tombo mbira be diare. Electoral la kuonga wala falede. Abe diare, but saying electoral diakuya. I think this is somewhat a victory for us. Wala nangwa nga nyomuta. Some of them right now, they have to throw some to the wolves. They have to throw some to the wolves. Even I think lanane. Ni meche ko surahara the innocent man. Nde as long as ngame moye kuloto bangere man surahara la implication. But who knows? They may implicate him. They may implicate all the commissioners. They may implicate all the. Nde man laugh on you can that story from fabricate because sumaila ba korondore nyame ko ako in two days time yala ngala kuma fana buka mana ala suta nyawol be ko so was la doro na fo nyam ala suta nyawol be ko so was ay même fo la fo no babu gara baraka baros my sister baraka ba ako in 2 days time there's an I will for initially ako 2 days time femko be findila tondi what is it called again audited report of findilale Jane Commission blah blah hani say man fendi bari ngamel lo wala nyindiko akweta sumayla ñol la fa report lo bondila pour que naka commission molta ke implicate, and that is politically charged move that the government is going to make in the coming days. Ilawa is nothing but political. It's politically motivated. Because nya jibe nimba tonya fala alga tonya fo nyoy. Mune ko be trigger. Wolem ko Batambedu and the Alpha Capital. To be very frank with you, yin kamfa men bebe caring a bebe nyulela. But they want us to believe ko the Jano Commission menke wolem correct. Alpha Capital mu receive alti many come it they dealt with, you know, it mu trust the men they dealt with other things. Mafo Alpha Capital men femam betaji. Jano Commission fe me wafi lose assets will be famal. So say bari ñum problème o men na fo gamenol kam fata say go to Facebook ye ordinary gamenol je fo ba fo kan sura hara jane o fo ka fo ko ami ben suda o fo ka fo ko council do to ni ñana la deputy la fo ka wala tof. What they have been saying is Batambedu and the Sise woman Alpha Capital. This is ñine ngo ko fo be memol kam fa ñinam bari ikala wala ko nde kam fata genuine kam fa because ñina da membe kerna faniya ñum fo je. Bro, Surahara is not your regular Joe. Don't worry about them. Finding him ready. Maybe after he finishes with them, some of them will definitely disappear. No, he is a no-nonsense guy. No, he is a no-nonsense guy. I don't know why they want to go after the innocent commission. Even when Molmen Gibeko, these are people with impeccable character. Alinge tomong e sama commission. Sumaila si nganye membe fale Sumaila si sela ba beta bikam. Sumaila. As the mouthpiece of that government, frog yakela frog disappear. Sumaila ba kansai. Boy, if you go around social media, what is upsetting the ordinary Gambian is the involvement of Alpha Capital, a one-man company that was registered barely 2 months after the Janet Commission started. Not before. Barely 2 months after the Janet Commission started. A company with no audited accounts, by the way. Account, maybe you can guide me how serious that is. With no audited accounts at the moment. Yawala Mudai Tata assets worth over $1 billion. Badimol. Conspiracy, the grand conspiracy. Abenin Dulaldo. Alatonya Fonyoe. The grand conspiracy. A company that was registered barely 2 months after. Alkata $1 billion project Kalka Diwala. Mbadi Nakarobe Jeldo. We want you to highlight that. But Ismaila na rasida membe kera bodo rara coffee time. Ako kumanke meyalonko is illegal. By Femkoto, atoli by Alpha Capital, by Batambedu, by Fantasise. No Fantasise, no Fantatura yalo is kind of like a ghost name. Moma is follow Jumana Alpha Fantatura. Allahu Alam. Al yuxol bule protest. Nkananyinel. Right now, ko ye sambalanga jela doya saka ko be in a cell. But ngalon ko deul non yen desan ye baro government jela yalon ko ye mol men be muta. They don't even respect any one of their rights. Ye mol men be muta. Ini menu right kito especially if you win against them. Pamodu Boja Manson Ka Joe, Alaji Bora Manson Ka Joe. The only people, one of the commissioners as Jano Commission is current head of the National Health Insurance Service. Oh wow, thank you bro. Wow. Ye elison jele kanyo recycle nyameng. One of the commissioners at the General Commission is the current head of the National Health Insurance. It's a revolving door. It's a bloody revolving door. Baba jabon ko nyumbunda la wala na betutu ka be wula. Ikada kunna iko baba de kuma. Baba hana abe wurla fanda ko file wala bawul bala de file yela. Nga ayele ni file wala bede bul seno dabo tobe ma bonen dame. Ito ko wala yele o file utla sorone ne fajane dunia banda. Ndoke Modu Toure se nko what's Fanda Toure? Fanda Toure I don't know if I can open my phone here. Yes. Okay, my WhatsApp is on. I'm not sure you can understand my answer without seeing the list. If you see the list, Fanda Toure to be list on dole. Okay, list on yin Fanda Toure to be list on dole. And I can even check for you Fanda Toure mu property lesson. But this Fanda Toure moma long. So but apparently nara ko mem understand bring ko be tambida. Wala nyindiko your website will create. You understand? So bring your website will create. Or website will kono. Okay, save. okay nangi ele bang okay so biri website o create yalon criminal o membaka wala nanko modol bije modol fanka ndeka modol jika ite kamina ko karbe taraje inita fe ko nte fe karle incriminate do mare let me just tell you something. A lot of people men be in commission e manke mo stupid rent hani me yokuke especially ministry lembang commission lembang jamabe je they will be foreseen a moment like today so aba kolealal the accountability that we are demanding from the government is important. Government nanyanta make sure this does not happen again. To be very frank with you, I don't see us recovering a lot from this. But nga diamu, nga protest, nga itandiko nyinkana fulanja. Ndefe nyine mu kukumat. But ni amira fenda fana kasara reje meme recover ke pana batan. Who I can tell you that the elites have swallowed. That I can tell you for free. The elites, they have swallowed it. Okay, na brother, because it is about this Fanda Toure la kola. So let me see what Fanda Toure has bought. Yo, Fanda Toure 2.6 million, 13 Grand Street, property sotoje, number 13 Grand Street, mbade ni jelong isitaje, jemu korati me yalongo nying Fanda Toure ate le damage. Eka 2.6 million, Grand Street, number 13 Grand Street, property and location, okay? So ni borodo, Fanda Toure toge min dole ko yo Fanda Toure fana fele 16 point ala indo kuliada Liberation Avenue number 34 Liberation Avenue again Fanda Toure 16.5 million ranza Fanda ila ku mbado ngaji be Fanda do fana mbejamba okay Babukar nabo ye message o men kinya ngaje nsodo mani mbe Fanda tu nim Fanda la be nyola mbado nga Fanda kisix okay Fanda ngamera nga fulala je folo baral kanam blemne nin jama tartaje Fanda Toure number 34 Liberation Avenue Fanda Toure ya understand nobody you go to Fanda Toure number 13 Grand Street so ibajala ko this Fanda Toure among a businessman ki passé I think this is an individual disguise wala na mo jama yamra man sa ke nyum fanga askeno atel di o ala proxy because amaria corral men be say nga fa number 13 malo mindo number 34 so abemu malo for private property but at least they are all properties in Banjul. I think they are Banjul properties if I let me cross check that but ngamera the properties are all in Banjul madu Fanda Toure listo la start na tobiji Fanda Toure listo la endina tobiji Liberation Avenue, yes, Liberation Avenue. So I think Liberation Avenue nyanda taramido. I think that should be Banjul, right? Jando ama indicate mindolam, but nyendo ako Grand Street, number 13 Grand Street. So I believe when you'll be on Banjul. This is Fanda Toure for you. This is Fanda. Okay, el merona comment on la Carola. Menu Fanda Toure property menza. And why people don't trust okay, ngajele. The current head of the National Insurance former commissioner, the General Commission. Okay, Nigel, thank you very much, brother. Okay, for me, the biggest fraud was to allow to earn 5% commission on share transfers amounting to almost 13 million. This, for me, is criminal and needs to be further investigated. We need to know who in particular authorized that. Well, but 5%, 13 million. You know that this Alpha Capital in general earned 89 million all along. So, how much was it? 89 million and under. So Modu Toure who is Fanda Toure man for Fanda Toure. For another body kiskiso ile body Fanda nyanda nyelonal because nyimu banal design nyimu banal nye property menso it's too much property fly babula property fly this list and then you list of on topic of wala na nito ko mina live anytime kanyen topic ko discuss ngata you know why because this topic is too deep. It's too deep. Into ko dinkata bakele Fanda Toure jumalam Fanda Toure SK adama manke Fanda Toure ba menyene ngaro la jumale ala family member ta aya register as Fanda Toure baral be ajale okay nyin listo let me come back to this nyin listo ni ajibe nimisa listo la nyende because these are properties many years ago na ajiba la title of on yemune kije ndesan this is a one page badi ngola le mon hakilo de it's a one page document me yalon ko yadi la national assembly member solal ni asset gate Gambia be nyanta wullane ini Adam Barrow Jakarta. This is a one page document of all the assets owned by Yaya Jammeh tolfangol sonda ko over $1 billion. Niani account sol kodol be ka fanyo over 1 billion. Yes, ngajele to nyana. Ngajele ngana talo jele. Over $1 billion. Imam fenchika ka di na National Assembly members ola. Fonye listo fana di la journal. Yen listo di la debulu. They made them believe because they had some. This was a confidential. Okay, now I understand. Yeah, you're right. Yen listo di na nam sol la na in tolel. Bria dila. Itelfonal fe ko ni kullo bala be kidika. Atara fraud 101. Fraud 101. So you don't believe in it. This is a confidential document. I cannot say blah blah. I can tell you precisely Jumala in leak. But timelines don't lie. Criminals, not all criminals are good at hiding their alibi. Manke investigator, but I'm the longi. May I leak and I leak the little man in defense of somebody. I leak welcome. Kaumari validate. So your list is not a comprehensive or exhaustive list in any way, shape, or form. Your list is basically meaningless. I'm a femin. Yeah, list is ya dila. Bria dile to fana basiri ba fle ko ha na fenna so blah 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 blah. So your list be bule inabe mondin tamala. So biri nyim ko kida itel kono mo killing do nying dasari ma leak. But this list contains almost nothing. Compare ya Jammeh asset all mumedi. This list is nothing. We're talking about the excess of the approximate rough estimation should be a little bit over 50 billion total. 1.2 million recover. When in Kolbe anyama over 2 billion 50 billion dollars. So asset solo ñin list pour mama yadina nam so le tol fe ko ha ini fen bala be kidiga so beri ñim brim public from ñe ko mol kumpatal kaaje ba ni ajibe ka fen dañ ko mala be ko adena bi mala be ko this is just a one page document ya Jammeh asset sol même based a one page document. What does that contain? That represents nothing do bi jem do ko ñako Alpha do Konyako, this is probably less than 10% of the total assets. Yena dina nam sola, it also not feel kullo bala besiri. Very irresponsible people. And what's on Gambia men charge men. What's on Gambia men for him? Omsi Baraka. Kaim for sola bar. What's on Gambia men for more than 2 nyati. Ikatra government deke kan dogo kan prutama opportunity lella. Naru ngamang tama opportunity. Why on earth they are going to bed with these evil people? Before you realize, Bileji Tunkara of NPP is the one calling for accountability in relation to this matter. Ndola UDP NP sol be je, doing call be je. NRP ndi hanya lolu bari alomo wolmo incumbent lese. Independent so-called independent sol be je. None of them call for accountability in this matter. Ibeba sirin tek. For believe jitu ngara wole ko nyi nyaro ngaya ka fo nyanta kiskisila ko la fana malaf ka fitna wole bari ndata gambe ndata bla moy fon dunde fitna kon bari memon volal ci akil ya Jammeh la ñu asset sol la ko ñim baro nyanta hakil tu la ko nyanta hakil tu la nyana because ya Jammeh la sympathize be system ko anu joron le bebul yo do ko lay olan to nyaade. So Niamira security officers they will do your bidding. They will do your bidding for you. Ni wala mira. Imam Gambia ballon. Yalo sita la sanji wala wala imante la barak soldo fo ñena ne stade kataje. President fo ñena na fazaru na malo. Bari mira jele sanji jamal ke bugo son katela barak sol fo because imal lela. Yamire loyal tamena wala yamire loyal ta ya Jammeh ya wala ko wulta bi de kam mul mutawala. Yakiltu kana Gambia dundi kuko na ta bonni no la men kon but Sidi Muktar Touré nak I will have to say again among any right soto ka fo moy ko pamito la ko it has been denied without justification. I'm all right from all soto. See the money and also left over man la back see the court. Kajabe diare, but mbada najan. Ha. So mbadunga browse man in Facebook. But na PC kundo. In essence, what I want to do is left a program on left end legend because I don't know for my time also. I think I want to upload this on YouTube also. But majol kana na ularo. But what I know is we need to unite. We need to stay resolute. New mansa kebe mol oppress kang. Ntolmang any other options sort of kafnyama. Imagine Ali Cissé post ke jam Baboucarr Bahum la comment je albala na wala ko NPP mo kalandang ko ndam barakandam wala siara je Ali ko unnecessarily arresting these youths only tarnish the country's human rights record and reflects poorly on the president. The action of the police doesn't serve the government's image. I doubt they post any real threat. Baboucarr Bahum me alon ko mo kulombal ba barakantang kalantang kuntang ala jako ngala ka sabiro kayle ka kiye Baboucarr man garang ako brother when the police say no it should be no. Imagine that's the first line. When the police say no it should be no. NPP, the police has their reasons why they say no. Why? Reason you might be able Baboucarr. This has nothing to do with the image of the president or human rights record of the country. The youth should learn to respect the laws of the country and stop taking the laws into their own hands. Laws are meant to be respected. Not respecting the police mean you are not respecting the laws of the country. Hey, Baboucarr, no. I want to know the auto. Yeah, you online thing. A troll account ma. Ika several ke default several yin kele drong atata ima ya mari paragraph wala gay because ñing karambal si banaka several abuka paragraph ni amalon yala mo fon kara karam modo maybe at least you have to go to up to grade 10 ka understand why you need to have a separate paragraph. Yeah, understand why you need to have every idea in every paragraph. Every new idea has to be in every paragraph. So the idea of arranging paragraphs does not come to, it does not descend on the head of an ignorant or uneducated person like Baboucarr Bahum just like that. No. So I am based on a paragraph or fenken. Yeah, safa ele ya kye. Nyumula troll account lit. Mansabala la not. Nyumula troll account lit. Baboucarr Bahum the only difference is troll account memu real person on karon. Abede nara dawda abota kuma fure mo fongo foga nyedulal to modo ka fay ko hey ndafa mangi yudi ben kar barka ni ba diawla ka gar mol nek ngo he nyaka sala nyinka trade sol fongo bele ke Gambia ku buga so fo nyina mo ken nek ken gol nek. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to see what the heck is going on here. I hope Batamidon and his gang are enjoying our assets and money whilst our youths are behind bars. A large percentage of the youths embark on the backway journey through the Mediterranean Sea and never made it back home. Their parents will cry for the rest of their lives while you and your families are flying business class romancing with your new wives. Yeah, shots fired. The rest are on the streets. You have succeeded in turning them to criminals. The assets, the monies should have been used to build skill centers and facilities to change their lives, the lives of our youths. Yena born the thieves in suits. Awa Ismail afana balo kandere ñu la ko la bagé na ngabira nak nyanda luo ko luo fitale ni mbate mala jakarlo sa koy kala maño ko mem fo deng no o enda fo dimi la ba on behalf of ba inen ba nyanda jakarlo kala nyanda luo fitale al tema so ala baraka bage mina programme ñu mbade na inshallah rabbi but the conversation online will continue inshallah ala baraka mo be rek mo ko comment sol jono ba sometimes mo comment sol mo ke je mo la ke fon for another back to the PC. So Allah baraka me program inshallah we'll catch up another time. Thank you very much. Thank you to all the viewers. Thank you Allah.